Allah said, surely we say in the life of the Prophet Muhammad, you have a best of the example for living your life. And then the Prophet Muhammad said that his mission to come on this world from Allah to perfect the character. So his mission was to give us the best of the character. If a person is not worshipping one God, then he has a very bad character. It is similar to like a person working in a company and company provides him everything, but he is reporting to another companies, and we call it's a very bad character, this person. The same way that this example is like this also, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the God, our creator, he give us everything, and we are serving other God, then we are doing very bad character or very unjust way of our attitude. So the character is also to worshiping one God. It's considered as a good character. Respecting our parents and be kind with our parents, or wives, or children, brothers, sisters, uncles, aunties, all relatives, neighbors, friends, and all human beings. We need to be very kind and generous. And we should not look down any of the creation of Allah. We always think ourselves not superior. No arrogance, because the people who are arrogant, they can never go to paradise. We need to be always humble, and we always to look people equal to us and not to the below us. Because these are the worst kind. This is the worst kind of sin, to think yourself superior than to others. Even the Iblis, the Shaitan, he was become disbeliever because he thought himself is superior. Today in the whole world, Israel is the one country who thinks that they are the best of the creation, and they have a right to terminate all the human beings beside them. So that's why they are implementing this hatred in Palestine. They are killing people living in Palestine, either they are Muslim or Christian or other faith, or whoever the people are. They are just killing because they think that they are the best and they have a right to own that land. And there is a very bad attitude to think yourself superior than to others. We call in Tagalog is mayabang. So those who are mayabang, they cannot go to paraiso. Hindi pwede sila pasok sa paraiso. Those people who are low profile, humble, they deserve to go to paradise. So never to think yourself superior, but always to think yourself equal to others. Even if you can read in the Quran, Allah said that the Shaitan was rejected, was disbeliever, when he thought he is better than Adam. That's why he said to Allah, I cannot accept him superior because I am better than him. And he became a disbeliever because of that word that he said to Allah, that ana khayru minhu, I am better than him. I'm better than him means he make himself superior to Prophet Adam, and then he become a disbeliever. So that is one of the things. People are trying to make themselves superior in sports, in business, in houses, in cars, in material things. Everybody want to show off to others that I have better clothes, or I have better shoes, or I have better houses, or I have a better cars, or I have better business, or I have better health, or I have a better talent or sports. This is not the right thing. You can enjoy the things of this world, but not for the arrogance. What you is better, you try to get more good deeds so you can go to paradise. And you can have a more bigger paradise in the next life. That's more important. But the things of this world, you don't need to compete. And don't need to boost yourself that I am better than you. Rather to never to think yourself or never to claim yourself superior to others. So that's a message for today, that we should not be arrogant, but we should be always humble and low profile. May Allah guide us.